It's not even 10 and it's not lockdown time. Everything is supposed to be open. Only this shop is open. And this lady is really tired and not at all interested in what Palolem has to offer. See, this is how fucking dead the scene is.
We're just gonna hop to the next place.
Yeah. So this is the biggest Choraha square of Palolem. So we've got in total 2 cows and 2 dogs. Pretty interesting, and 1 lady. Let's see what Palolem beachside has to offer us. On the left is the beach, by the way. I've been looking for this restaurant called Baba's Little Italy. Let me go and ask this cow. Where is Baba's Little Italy? Hey cow, where is Baba's Little Italy? Where is Baba's Little Italy? Oh, yeah. Okay, this is Baba's Little Italy. This is nice. We're gonna go in here. Yes, madam, what are you asking for?
Seafood platter.
Nice. Did you find the thing that you were looking for?
Yeah, but they said there will be a small pomfret and 2-3 prawns and a little bit of this. And it will cost me 1,200 bucks.
Oh, that's more expensive than the place that we went last.
Yeah,
right?
they said 500 bucks.
But the cow is already here. She's looking for some treat. Cow will meet some other time, okay?
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat some food.
Come, let's check the menu.
Yeah. Inside? Alright, we're going inside. No, we're gonna check out the menu here.
It's over here.
Nice, this is Baba's Little Italy. This place looks decent.
Very nice.
Yeah. Alright, so over to menu. Anyway, straight up, there's the beach. Let's see how it is. Okay, so we finally traveled to the southernmost tip of Palolem beach, and we are suddenly liking Palolem, aren't we? It's getting better, surely. That's the southernmost point. You were giving a thumbs up, right? Yeah. And these are the fishes. Can you spot these fishes? Of course, these are prawns, right?
This is pomfret. ये वाला
Which one?
pomfret.
Okay.
ये वाला मुझे नहीं पता है. ये वाला बीच वाला भी pomfret है.
Okay.
और ये prawns नहीं, वो baby prawns है, jumbo prawns.
These are prawns, right?
Sorry, jumbo prawns.
And these are jumbo prawns. Nice. Are we gonna eat any one of these? Huh?
Yes.
Let's go
Yes.
to this place.
Hi.
So, you know, like a few seconds ago, she guessed some. Let's see, we've got the owner. So, what is this? What is this?
King prawns.
These are king prawns,
And
right?
these jumbo prawns.
No, they're tiger.
Tiger prawns.
Jumbo
Tiger
more
prawn.
bigger than that.
Jumbo ऐसे ही होता है.
Yeah, बहुत
And
बड़ा,
this is?
इतना बड़ा, हाँ. So squid, calamari.
Oh,
Okay, and
और ये
what-
pomfret है ना?
हाँ, black pomfret.
Yes. और
Alright.
ये भी pomfret है.
नहीं, that's a queen or something, Rani. Say Rani.
Okay. And
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 Okay.
then kingfish, baby kingfish, that kingfish, Shivas.
so you got everything wrong except prawns, okay? Which even
And
I got.
pomfret, and pomfret.
And pomfret, okay? But other than that, you got everything wrong. What's the
ठीक है.
point of staying in Goa for 6 months when you can't even recognize fish?
हेलो, मैं खाने से मतलब रखती हूँ.
6 महीना बैठे आपने.
Anjuna and
4 महीने.
4 महीना भी
yeah, 4
हाँ.
महीने. Fair.
बताना चाहिए था आपको तो.
अरे
ये लड़की इसकी शक्ल नहीं दिख रही है. हम लोग यहाँ से आए, we have lost the way. So Palolem becomes really amazing at night. And that's what we would love to believe. But the point is,
क्या मैं खो गए हैं.
हम खो गए हैं. And all you can do is you can find cows here. One cow. Can you see that? Yeah, this is one cow. This is a cow. There is another cow. This is another cow. This is not a cow.
Oh, you asked.
Yeah. So we came from this way. It's pretty fucking dark. And Shelly is angry. Why are you smiling now? Now that camera is on, you're smiling, huh?
No,
Do it.
because it's not difficult for me to smile, you asked.
Alright. But we have, I think, finally found the way, right?
सीधा सीधा, अब इसमें कौन सा रास्ता ढूंढना है, ऐसा कोई रॉकेट साइंस भी नहीं है, बट थैंक्स टू मी.
अच्छा, thanks to you.
Yes, because you were not ready to listen whatsoever.
Yep. Doggo, you agree? What's up? Where's the party scene, buddy? He's gonna tell us. No, are you not interested, bitch?
No, she is not, or he is not.
She is.
कितने सारे fruits हैं.
Finally, we've reached. This is our place.